Good morning, dear children. I'm sure till now you all have understood about the kinds of sentences. First was assertive or declarative, second was interrogative, third was imperative, and fourth was exclamatory sentence. Now, I know you all must be using these kinds of sentences while speaking at home with everyone around you. You must be judging that which kind of sentence you have spoken to the person at your home. Now children, today we are going to focus on interrogative sentence. Which sentence? Interrogative sentence. We are going to understand how we convert a simple statement, that is assertive or declarative sentences, into interrogative sentences. Before we start with this, first of all, we have to know about helping verbs. Which verbs? Helping verbs. And these helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs. Keep this in your mind. They are one and the same thing. Helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. What are helping verbs or auxiliary verbs? Helping verbs are those verbs which helps us to know whether the main verb or action, main verb which are known as action verbs, happened in the past or is happening in the present or will happen in the future. Auxiliary verbs helps us in forming tenses. What they help us? They help us in forming tenses. They tells us whether the sentence which we have spoken is happening right now, has happened yesterday, or will happen tomorrow. So these are helping verbs which helps us to do this. Now children, note here that helping verb or auxiliary verbs have no meaning on their own. They are not having any meaning on their own, but they have meaning only if they are along with main verbs. For example, he was going. Now here, which is helping verb? Was. And going is which verb? Main verb, which is telling us about action. Going is telling us about action, so it is main verb. And this is the helping verb which is telling us that he was going. He was going yesterday. This happened yesterday, not today. He was going yesterday somewhere. Another example is I am going. Now here am is helping verb and going is main verb. Now am here is telling us that it is happening at present. Right now it is happening. Now here children, was and am are helping or auxiliary verbs. Children, here keep this in your mind that helping verb or auxiliary verbs always come before main verb. They are always placed before the main verb. They can never come after it. I am coming to the party. Now here children, am is helping verb, coming is main verb. Now here you can see that am comes before the main verb.